can you see? What do you see?
I see the snails eating something.
Want to smell it a little bit? How does it feel to touch that?
It's so hard.
Hard? The shell is hard?
Yeah.
What else can you smell? How about its movement? How does it move?
It's slow.
Of course, you cannot taste that, right?
When you do like this, the snail is gonna fall.
So you think how are you going to get that? Maybe you can have a stick. Don't use that one, right? You can think how to get that. You can get something here.
Leaf.
Look for a leaf. Let's go. Maybe you need a leaf and a stick. A leaf where you can put it and then a stick to get it. Come on. Go here.
Hurt for the snail.
No. Just touch.
Just look at that. Just look at that.
You can use a shell. You can use a stick and a leaf. Yeah, good job. Go. Yeah, you can use that. Good job. Wow. Good. You can try it. Yeah. You can put your other stick muna, yung hand stick on your bag so that you cannot, so that you can touch it well or you can get it well. Put that on your bag first, that one. No, the stick hand. This one. Put this on your bag, put that on your bag.
On my back? I don't know.
Bag. Oh wow, the snail is moving.
It's going to get some more. It's
Put it there.
so hard.
Patay, dapat. Patay. Vertical, vertical, not horizontal. Good job, like that. Yeah. Use the stick, diba? This one. Yan, okay. Then you can push. Oh, it's moving. Look, it's moving. Go.
I think it cannot move.
How can you? You can make it closer, the leaf.
I might hurt its head.
Oh, it's strong.
What if it's even so smushy?
Go. Here.
It's turning here.
You can actually do this. Pull him up. Can you do that? Then later on, so you can touch. Pull. Go, go. Wow, brave naman ni ate. Now you can put it on the leaf and then we will study it there. You can bring that and study.
Should we give him some plants?
But later on, after you study it, you can put it back. You have a choice to put it back here, or you can put it. You can take care of it on a pot if you want. Then
I want to take care of it because I don't have
you're gonna study it. You're gonna study it.
You want some?
Okay,
Um,
let's go.
what is pets?
Carry this. We will go to. We will go there. No?
It might fall. It might fall.
No.
Because it's so slippery.
Ate, what's that?
It's a snail.
Snail. We're going to study it.
Yeah, I don't want to take care of it.
Take care. Okay. So let's go to our house and you can take care of it.
And then we have some food.
Ah, yeah, there's another snail.
Yeah,
You want to get that?
But it won't. When it gets inside the shell, I will get. What is?
See, you can touch that. How does it move? Super slow.
Just like that.
Okay. Get that. Come on.
It's
Show
still
Nanay.
moving.
Show Nanay. Yeah, you can grab it there. You
It's
can
so
grab it on the shell. It will not die, don't worry. So you can get it like that. Go, ate.
still move.
Yeah, go. 1, 2,
It's
3.
gonna do like when I hold it.
Yeah, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold it well on the body. Yay! Put it there. On the
I'm your friend. I'm your friend.
What's your question again?
They're
What's your question, ate?
so slow.
What do they
They eat.
eat? Oh, they leaves. Oh, they give them leaves.
I gave them.
Okay, go, ate.
I already gave them enough.
I'm gonna bring them home.
Yes.
Carry it well.
So I can take care of it.
Okay, go. Careful.
But they really need a house.
Yeah, you can make a container house for them.
How about a pot with some food?
Okay, sure. Boy, naman. Such a good girl.
That's why I want to have a pet.
La 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 la. I'm so busy, ate. Yun lang.
This is
What are you drawing?
I'm trying a snail from over there. You put them in a pot and they cannot escape.
What are you drawing, ate?
A snail.
What?
A snail.
Why are there two?
Because they're there. The other one's on the other side. Are you hiding?
What are those, ate?
Those are two snails.
Two snails? Where are you putting it now? On your nature study. What's that?
Nature study journal. And they're over here. We're just eating and they finish
Three.
I saw a snail in the clubhouse in the grass area. The snail is yellow and brown. It moves slowly and it uses its body to move. It feels hard on its shell, but I didn't touch it. But touch its body. But I didn't also smell it. Might be so bad. It does not make a sound. I wonder if a snail can live for 100 years. I wonder. We're gonna search it.